In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sprints in ClickUp. Whether you're an experienced user or just getting started, incorporating sprints into your project management can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, to use sprints in ClickUp, you'll need to enable the Sprints Click app, and this step is crucial for your journey. It's worth noting that this can only be done by someone with workspace owner or admin privileges. So if that's you, open the ClickUp application and navigate to the Apps and Integrations section. Here, you'll see an array of Click apps available to enhance your experience. Look for the Sprints option among these Click apps and make sure to toggle it on. It's also recommended to enable sprint points for effort estimation, which can provide valuable insight into your project's workload. This feature will help quantify effort in terms of sprint points, making it easier to plan and allocate tasks effectively. Once the Sprints Click app is enabled, the next step is to create a sprint folder and your first sprint. In ClickUp, a sprint folder serves as a central hub for organizing your sprints within a particular space. To create one, locate the plus icon in the sidebar next to your desired space. Click on it and select the option to create a sprint folder. This action will prompt you to configure several important settings for your sprint folder. Let's get into the details of configuring your folder settings. First, decide on the duration for your sprints. They can range from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on your team's workflow and project requirements. Consider the naming format for your sprints, which will help you keep track of them as you progress. It's important to select a start day and time that align with your team's schedule, and don't forget to set the appropriate time zone to avoid any confusion later on. You will also need to decide on the type of effort estimation you'll use. You can choose between using points or time to measure the workload. Finally, consider setting up non-working days, which allows you to exclude weekends or holidays from your sprint timeline. These settings are not just preferences. They help structure your sprints clearly and keep everyone on the same page. With these configurations in place, ClickUp usually creates your first sprint list inside the folder automatically. This list will be the cornerstone of managing your tasks and tracking their progress throughout the sprint. Congratulations! You're now ready to start utilizing sprints effectively in ClickUp. Making the most of sprints in your project management workflow takes practice, but with these steps, you're well on your way to mastering this powerful feature. Happy planning, and here's to your next successful